worksheets. So in this chapter, we deal with worksheet, how to insert a worksheet, how to delete worksheet, how to move worksheet, then how to copy worksheet. So we will do some indexing, we will deal some sheet indexing, the VBA project indexing. So we are going to deal with various topics. So let me clear all. Go to home menu, then go to clear, then clear all. Okay, now my sheet is blank again. Go to Visual Basic. So first I have to tell you something. So when you are using Excel, then how you use your worksheet, how you add a worksheet, or how to select a worksheet. Suppose I'm inserting a worksheet here: sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. So I have inserted 4 sheets called as sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, and sheet 5. So when you have to select sheet 2, then how will you select? Just click your mouse on sheet 2. Okay, so if we are using keyboard, then if you want to go to sheet 4, then how we will go? Just control page down, control page down. It means we have to press control page down 2 times. Okay, and from mouse, how we can do? Just click on any sheet. Okay, sheet 1. So this is the procedure. So let's try Alt F11. So it is the VBA. So close the watch window. Just okay. Let me now you can see the Excel and you can see the VBA also. Let me put VBA over Excel now so that we can see the working of sheets. So what I'm going to do, okay, delete. So when you are selecting your sheets through VBA, then you can select through two objects, which is worksheets, and second one is sheets. So what is the difference between worksheet and sheets? So let me try. I'm drawing worksheet first. Worksheet, okay, sheets, then open parentheses. It is asking for which sheet do you want to go. I want to go on sheet 3. So sheet 3 is the name. You have to put the name in your double quotes. Sheet 3, double quotes. Okay, then select. This code will select sheet 3. Okay, see here, sheet 1 is active. Now, boom. When we have run the code, then our sheet 3 is activated. Okay, let's try to put some data over here through random numbers or either any method. I'm putting random numbers. Rand between allows you to generate random number between some bottom to top. So 100 comma 500. Control enter, control C. Now we will remove the formula. How we can do it? Control C, then control Alt V for paste special, then values, then okay, control S for save. Now we have some data. Let's create a chart. Okay, control. So to create a chart shortcut in new sheet, the shortcut is Alt F11. So here is the chart, but I think the new sheet should be created. Okay, let me try again. So in 16 there is no shortcut available, so we will do it manually. So go to right click on any sheet, then insert, then chart, then okay. So here's the chart. Okay, so now we have one, two, three, four, five sheets and one chart. So now when you are using VBA and using worksheet of property, then it allow you to select only the sheets. Okay, let's try to select chart sheet over here, chart 1. Okay, now run the code. Boom. So it is showing that you are doing some mistake. So it means worksheet allows you to select only the sheets, the specific sheets, which is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet 5. But if you want to select your chart 1 sheet, then worksheet will not work. Then the sheets will work. Delete the work from here. Now run. Okay, chart 1 is selected. If we try sheet 1 here, okay, now run. Sheet 1 is selected. It means worksheet is specific and sheets is general. So this is the first difference. Okay, if we want to select two sheets through Excel, then how we will do? Just press Control and click on any sheet, also sheet 3. Okay, let's try in VBA. So copy this code again, Control C, Control V, and Control V, Control V. Okay, first I will select sheet 1, then I will select sheet 5, then I will select sheet 2, then I will select chart 1. Okay, so now you are seeing that my mouse will move from here. It means shuffling. Okay, let's try F8. Now we will try line by line. F8, F8. Sheet 1 is selected. Now see, sheet 1 is selected. Okay, then press F8. Sheet 5 is selected. Then press F8. Sheet 2 is selected. Then press F8. Chart is selected. Okay, but I want to select two sheets. Okay, so this code is not working. Basically, this code is allowing you to move the sheets, move between sheets, sheet 1, sheet 5. So what we will, how can we do? Just type false between your code, sorry, in front of your code, false, FAL false. Okay, let's try this. F8 again. False allow you to, that it is saying that VBA, please don't move between the sheets and don't forget the sheet 1. If we will go to sheet 5, then VBA will not forget the sheet 1, will also select sheet 5, then VBA will not forget the sheet 5, it will select the sheet 2. Okay, so press F8. Sheet 1 is selected. Okay, sheet 5 is selected. See, VBA now carrying two sheets simultaneously. F8. Okay, sheet 3, sheet 2 is selected. Okay, then F8. It means VBA is carrying four sheets. Okay. F8. So click on any sheet to discard. Okay, now go to VBA again. If we open our book, then So we are on the worksheet chapter. Why I am focusing on this book again and again? Because I will give you this book at the end of the notes, at the end of the batch. So you will be you will basically learn the VBA concept from this book easily. This is a layman language book, purely English. I have not used any programming language. Basically, I have used plain English language. Even I have used some. I have deliberately done some grammatical error in this book. Okay, so this was the chapter selecting a sheet. We are working on it. So this one is the selecting the chart. We have already deal with the sheet and worksheets. Okay, so then yeah, we have already selected sheet. So now we are going to deal with indexation of worksheet. How can we do it? Okay, go to worksheet. Here's the Excel, and here is the now. Suppose my user change my name of worksheet. Suppose the user change the name of worksheet. Now here is the yeah sheet 1, sheet 5. Let change the sheet 5 name, rename and rename it to data sheet. Okay, now you can see sheet 1 is here, sheet 1 is here, sheet 5 is not here. So now try to run this code. Press F8, 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 F8. Now you are facing the same error again. Why? It is saying that subscript out of range. It means your code is out of range. Basically, when you are dealing this code, you are saying that please select any of criteria. So we have to rectify it. Debug. It means user, when you are using this code, user cannot change the sheet name, otherwise it will show an error to you. Okay, stop this. Now try to sheet indexing. Count the sheet 1, one number, 2, 3, don't forget any of the sheet, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means data sheet is on the 6th number, so we will index it. Just delete sheet 5 here. Now simply type 6. Okay, now it means we are saying to VBA, please select sheet 1 first, then select sheet number 6. Sheet means sheet 6 is here. So go to VBA, F8, 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 F8. It is working properly. Okay, F8, F8. But it is also allow you to do the mistake. Stop. Let move. Let click any sheet to discard the selection. Okay. So let move data sheet to here. Now my indexing has been changed. Now data sheet on the sheet number 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So let's try F8. What is the sheet 6 now? Sheet 1 is here. Sheet 6 is sheet 4. So try F8, 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 F8. Okay. It means this indexing will also get failed when user move our sheet to another location. Okay. F8, F8. Now we want to select our data sheet. Okay. So how can we do this? First, select on any sheet to discard the change. Okay. Go to VBA, then now increase the size of project. Hmm, Let me increase the size of VBA, my VBA. Now you can see the indexing is also done by your project in VBA. So chart 6 is chart 1, and the name of chart 6 is chart 1 in the Excel, but in VBA, what is the name of chart 6? Okay. And what is the real name of data sheet in your VBA? Data sheet is sheet 5. It means we can index our sheet from two methods. First one is number 1 2 3 4 5. Then second method is VBA project. VBA project allow you to create a VBA project, basically uh, try to be okay. So VB project is basically do indexing in the backend of Excel. So just delete sheet 5. Now I am selecting sheet 5 from here, not the name and not the position. Okay, click anywhere. Now it is auto capitalized, it means my code is right, so press F8. Now where now I can rename my data sheet and I can move my data sheet. Okay, so press F8, F8, F8. So first sheet 1 is okay, and the position of data sheet is 3, but I want to select the sheet 5. Sheet 5 is data sheet, so F8. It means it is working properly. So this is the indexing. So now you can the secret of sheets. Now it is working properly. Let's select any sheet to discard the changes. Again, move the data sheet to anywhere. Okay, press F8. Move. It means now we can move sheets and rename the sheet.